Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing 6/8 Oz fillets with skin on. That skin gives structure and crispness while cooking. Pat the fish very dry and season now so flavors penetrate immediately. Use salt, pepper, and about 1 tsp oil per fillet. Heat a heavy skillet to medium-high, around 200 degrees, until the oil shimmers. Once the pan is hot, lay the fillets skin side down and press gently for 10–15 seconds to prevent curling. This first sear locks juices and begins Maillard flavor development. Once the skin is crisp, sear for 3–4 minutes, then flip briefly, just 15–30 seconds, to set the top. This minimizes overcooking while creating a good crust. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and transfer the entire skillet, finishing in the oven cooks evenly through without drying edges. Use an instant-read thermometer and aim for 50–52 degrees internal for medium rare, because carryover will raise it a few degrees. If you prefer well done, go to 60 degrees but expect firmer texture. You must rest the salmon 3–4 minutes on a warm plate. This allows juices to redistribute and prevents immediate moisture loss when you cut. Once rested, squeeze lemon or drizzle a quick pan sauce made from 1 tablespoon vinegar and butter to brighten the flavor. If the fish looks underdone, return to the oven for 1–2 minutes. If it's overcooked, don't waste it. Shred and mix with mayo, herbs, and lemon for salads or fish cakes. That repurposes texture and saves the meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.